Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDMI Pad 2 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the privacy protection. Then let's scroll and find special permissions and localize the option called install unknown apps. And right here we will have the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course you can change it so just find the app. I will choose Chrome and then tap on the switcher. Right here we've got the warning that it's a highly sensitive permission. Basically, you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Mark this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on OK. Now we can go back. And as you can see, the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps. And if you'd like to, you can remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.